we go. Yes!
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee.
Davidson County, let's go!
Tennessee, northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Millersville, or 12 miles southeast of Springfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Davidson County, there it is. There you go, Clay.
Source, radar indicated.
We up one tail right there. That's right inside the warning. There we go. I got prepared for this. They're gonna turn the TV on, turn on 17.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Holy crap! Severe thunderstorm warning for my county. Not surprised. Wait a minute, am I getting a double header?
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Smith County in Middle Tennessee, west central DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Rutherford County
Yep,
in
that
Middle
is
Tennessee,
me.
southeastern Wilson County
It is
in
bad
Middle
out there
Tennessee
now.
until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
I'm gonna listen to my
At
sky
8
warning.
p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Walter Hill, or 10 miles south of Lebanon, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Walter Hill, Alexandria, Liberty, Auburntown, Cedars of Lebanon State Park.
Tune in channel 17.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Channel 17.
Where's your cape?
I'm wearing it.
The National Weather Service in